National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a dust storm warning for west central Tuella County in northern Utah until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, law enforcement officials report near-zero visibility in dust 10 miles east of Wendover. Hazard, near-zero visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, law enforcement. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 6 and 38. Locations impacted include Bonneville Salt Flats. Dust storms led to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.
All right.